Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Learn Indonesian in 15 minutes. Everyday words and sentences. Easy lesson. What if in the next 15 minutes you could begin to understand and speak Indonesian? Not perfectly, but confidently enough to start real conversations. Stay with me, because by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and respond naturally in everyday situations. Let's begin. First, greetings. Hello, which in English means hello, hi, which in English means hi. Selamat pagi, which in English means good morning. Selamat sore, which in English means good afternoon. Selamat malam, which in English means good evening / good night. Now, repeat slowly. Hello, which in English means hello. Hi, which in English means hi. Great. Now, introducing yourself. Saya, which in English means I. Nama saya, which in English means my name is. Let's combine them. Nama saya Andi, which in English means my name is Andy. Nama saya Siti. In English means my name is Siti. Now, asking someone's name, siapa nama kamu, which in English means what is your name? Informal. Siapa nama Anda? Which in English means what is your name? Formal. Let's practice a simple exchange. Hello, which in English means hello. Nama saya Budi, which in English means my name is Budi. Siapa nama kamu? Which in English means what is your name? Now, polite words. Tolong, which in English means please / help. Terima kasih, which in English means thank you. Terima kasih banyak, which in English means thank you very much. Sama-sama, which in English means you're welcome. Ya, which in English means yes. Tidak, which in English means no. Take your time. Repeat each one. Terima kasih, which in English means thank you. Sama-sama, which in English means you're welcome. Now, everyday questions. Apa kabar? which in English means, how are you? Responses. Baik, which in English means, good / I am fine. Saya baik, which in English means, I am fine. Kurang baik, which in English means, not so good. Let's build a conversation. Apa kabar, which in English means, how are you? Saya baik, which in English means, I am fine. Terima kasih, which in English means, thank you. Now, talking about where you are from. Saya dari, which in English means, I am from. Examples. Saya dari Indonesia, which in English means, I am from Indonesia. Saya dari Filipina, which in English means, I am from the Philippines. Now, asking someone else, kamu dari mana? Which in English means, where are you from? Informal. Anda dari mana? Which in English means, where are you from? Formal. Let's combine halo, which in English means, hello. Nama saya Rina, which in English means, my name is Rina. Saya dari Indonesia, which in English means, I am from Indonesia. Kamu dari mana? Which in English means, where are you from? Now, daily actions. Saya makan, which in English means, I eat. Saya minum, which in English means, I drink. Saya pergi, which in English means, I go. Example sentences. Saya makan nasi, which in English means, I eat rice. Saya minum air, which in English means, I drink water. Saya pergi ke rumah, which in English means, I go home. You're doing great. Let's slow down and review. Hello, which in English means, hello. Nama saya, which in English means, my name is. Apa kabar, which in English means, how are you? Terima kasih, which in English means, thank you. Now, imagine a real-life situation. You meet someone new. Hello, which in English means, hello. Nama saya Dika, which in English means my name is Dika. Siapa nama kamu? Which in English means what is your name? They respond, Nama saya Lina, which in English means my name is Lina. Apa kabar? Which in English means how are you? You reply, saya baik, which in English means I am fine, terima kasih, which in English means thank you. And just like that, you're speaking Indonesian. Before we finish, one final review. Halo, which in English means hello. Selamat pagi, which in English means good morning. Nama saya, which in English means my name is. Siapa nama kamu? Which in English means what is your name? Apa kabar? Which in English means how are you? Terima kasih, which in English means you've taken your first step into Indonesian. And the more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. If you made it this far, you're already ahead. I'll see you in the next lesson. Sampai jumpa, which in English means see you again / goodbye. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.